Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn easy words in Spanish. These are easy words because they're very similar to English words. So basically, it's the opposite of false friends. These are true friends, real friends. You're gonna see the word and you will automatically know what it means, but you don't have to doubt this time. You don't have to be like, this sounds like this word in English, but it might not be, and I don't want to use it because it might be embarrassing. No, this time you can trust your instincts and go for it. For today's vocabulary lesson, we're gonna use words in the category of la casa. So these are words that you might use in your house. Número 1, el closet. Número 2, el garaje. Número 3, la computadora. Número 4, la televisión. Número 5, el sofá. Número 6, el champú. Número 7, la planta. Número 8, el carro. Número 9, la oficina. Número 10, el porche.